This is the unboxing and setup of the HP Envy 4520 printer. Bought on Amazon for around 50 bucks. See what's in the box. Comes with ink, I'm pretty sure, and power cord. There's the ink right there, and the power cord. Tricolor ink and some black ink. These are like half full, I believe, and you have to buy another cartridge after. And this printer also comes with an option right here, instant ink or whatever. Save up to 50% on ink through the HP instant ink service. Okay, let's get this bad boy set up. Power cord. Let's pull up the printer now. She's upside down, I think. Okay. There's the printer. I'm gonna set her up right there. Got my half-ass laptop right here connected to a computer screen. And we're gonna get it set up. Place this guy on the fucking counter. Bang, looks perfect. Okay. Remove this. Open it up with the handles on the side or something. And remove this. Close that back out. Remove the blue tape. Pull out the paper tray. Remove the tape there. Open up these guys. Put back. And get the power cord. I went to Staples today. Picked up some printer paper. Plug it in. Okay, we should have power now. Okay, now I gotta put that ink in stuff. Get ready for setup. Okay, so we want English. It's touchscreen. We want Canada. Yes. Install ink cartridges that came with printer. Okay. So I got the ink cartridges. I'll open it up from the sides again. that just came out, popped out or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna install the tricolor one first. HP63, or you can get HP63 XL in cartridges. Okay, now remove the tape from the back of the cartridge. And flick this little thing up and just pop it in there and close that back down. Perfect. Up the black. Remove the sticky tape. And do the same. Okay, now that they're in there, I close this top up. Okay, ink cartridges are installed. Now I gotta load some paper.